Howdy, folks. It's Donal McCarthy here with Keller Williams, bringing you your update for Dovercourt Village, the most expensive and the least expensive sale in Dovercourt Village for January of 2021. And of course, we'll look at the last 6 months aggregate of sales, as well as a chart for 2020, what happened in house prices. So there were only two sales in Dovercourt Village, so quite easy for me to do. The least expensive and the most expensive. The least expensive was 158A Shanley Street. Sold for a whopping 1.151 million and change. It was a little semi-detached, two-story, unrenovated, on Shanley there, just a bit east of Dufferin. On the north side, 14.87 foot frontage by 120. And again, like I was mentioning in my GTA synopsis of real estate in 2020 or 2021 January, that we are in a very frothy environment right now. Even condos have seen a huge slap back. So we're seeing record prices. And of course, all of this data is below us here in the download section. But that was quite a handsome price to get for an unrenovated home there on Shanley. Then the most expensive sale, not too far off, was this property, 2050 Westmoreland Avenue. These are one of the newer built towns, the three-story ones back from a couple of decades ago. This listed and in 2 days sold for 1.168 million. So if you were to ask me who got the better deal here, I would argue that this was the better deal of the two homes that sold in January of 2021. Okay, onwards, let's look at the 6-month aggregate for Dovercourt Village, what sales were like from August 1st to January 31st. So it's pulling out, it's giving a bit of more perspective on what the last 6 months have been like in Dovercourt Village. So there were 25 sales. Again, an indicator of how tight our supply is in that detached semi-row house sale market, okay? And also, again, we're still in a seller's market environment, as we have been for quite some time. Properties on average selling 11% above the asking, and selling in just under 2 weeks at 12 days on market for the average property. So again, if you are considering selling, now may be the perfect storm for you in regards to what your next move might be. Is it downsizing into condo? Is it getting out of the city? Depending on what that might be, even upsizing. There may be opportunities there for you. So do feel free to reach out, give us a call. My name is Donal McCarthy. I'm with Keller Williams Realty. Happy to discuss and just go through what your options might be. Okay, thanks so much, folks. You stay safe. I know our kids are going back to school next week. So if that's your case, stay safe, okay? Thank you so much for your time as always. Bye-bye.